Renting versus buying in today's market. We get this question a lot. In our area, rentals are at an all-time high. So, what's the solution? There are so many programs out there that we're able to provide to you through our preferred lenders that are able to approve you for a home. One of them is Hometown Heroes. Hometown Heroes is a program for our firefighters, paramedics, police force, veterans in the area that Bank of England is willing to help with their closing costs in order to get them into a home. There's also a VA option. Most agents are afraid of VA. I, for one, am well versed in VA and know exactly what to look for in your home purchase so that we can make sure we're not wasting any time when we're going to the market to look at homes. Another one is the Federal Housing, FHA. Most think this is first-time home buyer. It's a similar program. Doesn't necessarily mean you have to be a first-time home buyer. You can do 3.5% down with this. The caveat with it is that you do have higher closing costs. Conventional loans, dependent on your qualifications, you can get into a conventional loan for as little as 3% down, and then you have lower closing costs than an FHA purchase. So working with one of our preferred lenders like Candace Copeland, with Bank of England is one of the best resources to start at. When you go rent in our area, more than likely you're going to have your credit pulled, and you also will have your first month, last month, and security deposits due, which is basically like your down payment and your closing costs all in one when you look at what our rental rates are. So why not see if you're able to purchase a home and build equity instead of paying somebody else's investment in equity? Another one is Divvy Homes and Home Partners of America. Most people don't know about these options. These are a rent-to-own purchase, so Home Partners of America or Divvy Homes will purchase the home for you, like a cash purchase, and then you will lease back from them for a balloon time, and then you have a predetermined amount that you will purchase that home from them by going and getting a mortgage at that time. So it could be in 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, or 5 years. And there's tiers for your rental rates as well. Now they do have an application and a qualification process, so they do look at your credit. Doesn't mean that you have to have a 650 and higher credit score like a lot of mortgages that you're going out for right now. You can have some things happen, whether it was a short sale, bankruptcy, missed one payment on a credit card or a mortgage statement, and now you have okay credit, is just not perfect. So this is a great option to look at. And one thing that is true, that you have to partner with the right agent when you do one of those purchases, because there are some fine lines that you have to look at when it comes to not going into an HOA community that requires an application. So you're going to be limited on your HOA options, and usually a condo and townhome will not qualify. It would have to be a single family. So if you have more questions, reach out to us. We would happy to be your real estate advisor and walk you through all of your options that best fit your goals in your Florida lifestyle.